Hey everyone! Today the moon continues in Scorpio, so feeling things is on the menu. I'm Marina Orms here with your Astro vibe for Wednesday, February 19th, and we're continuing with this Scorpio moon vibe. The sun now in Pisces. We also have Saturn and Neptune in Pisces and Mercury, the planet of communication, also in Pisces. So, what is Pisces all about? Pisces is about flow, it's about dissolving boundaries, allowing things to flow where they are going to flow. But Pisces is also, of course, where we can kind of get loosey goosey about things and maybe let down our guard, let down our boundaries, or forget to be careful about where we end and someone else begins, or what kind of energies we really want to take on, we want to experience. So, having those appropriate boundaries that allows us to be discerning in what we feel, right? And so, with this water moon sign, Scorpio moon energy, we also have the moodiness of Scorpio. So we feel sensitive, we feel things, we're a little bit more tuned in, feeling the things that are happening around us, feeling things that maybe sometimes it's a little bit easier to avoid. And so that can make us feel a little bit moody or emotional or funky. So, what is that, right? What is that telling you? It's telling you that you are processing something and you need that space. You need that safety, that safe container to feel the things you feel because those energies are working themselves out within you. And that's why we feel things ultimately is to help us move energy, to help us process things that we've experienced that maybe we don't understand or that feel hard. And so, our ability to feel is also our ability to move some of those mysterious energies. And the Scorpio moon is the perfect time to do that. Not only do we have the moon in Scorpio today, but also a lot of water. So not only the moon in Scorpio, not only all those Pisces planets, but we also have Mars in Cancer, and the moon forms a grand trine with Saturn in Pisces, Mars in Cancer, and much of the day today, the moon moving through that third point of forming a triangle. So those three planets in a grand trine formation, triangling each other. And while that happens, some doorways can be open. That trine energy allows things to flow more easily. And traditionally, we think of trines as being an easy flow of energy or an openness, something moving or happening or changing easily. So, again, it's very, very important to be clear about what you want, clear about who you are, clear about what's important to you, what matters, what you care about, because when when the boundaries are dissolving and when the triangulation is aligning, the grand trine is aligning in a water sign to make things happen more easily, we want to be careful about what we are aligning ourselves with, because that means the negative can happen more easily as well as the positive. So, again, checking in with yourself, asking yourself, what do you need? What do I need? And tuning in with some of those deeper places of where we start with the self-care, where that self-care needs to go first. So, do you need to eat? Do you need to rest? Do you need to get grounded? And, sometimes the day goes by and things happen and we don't have a chance to get all of our needs met, but you can at least take that moment to take a deep breath, to feel into your body, to ask your body, how are you doing? Just checking in with yourself. And even just that moment of sending love and acknowledgement to yourself that, yeah, this is hard sometimes, right? So you're feeling things, you're feeling sensitive. Sending yourself that moment of loving care and kindness can make a big difference. So don't think that just because you don't have time in your day, that you can't give yourself that kind of loving care. It only takes a breath, right? And from there, right, you can connect with what's happening with nature, taking that breath, asking, hey, what kind of sounds am I hearing? What kind of smells do I notice? What's going on with the trees? I'm looking outside my window, but what's happening outside your window or as you walk to your car, right? This doesn't have to be complicated. Checking in with nature, with the plants, with the birds, right? What's happening around you. So that's another way you can connect with that bigger picture, invite that loving care into your life, and let go of some of the things you don't need to worry about, and recognize that you're doing your best and to keep going, right? So by doing those simple practices, you can come back into yourself, into your own strength, into your place of groundedness, and these watery energies that are trying to move and flow can carry you in a good direction, can help you do the cleansing work that water energy can bring, to flow, to let go, to release things that aren't serving you, and to trust yourself, right? So just like when you're in a little rowboat and the current is carrying you, you have to trust where that current is carrying you. You have to trust where your own spiritual needs are carrying you, your own bigger picture. And so feeling into that and trusting yourself. And this water energy is not forever. But it's here with us today. So working with that. And then the moon early Thursday morning, 4 something a.m. Pacific time, shifts into Sagittarius. So we'll still have those Pisces planets, but the Sagittarius moon gives us a little bit more perspective heading into Thursday. So I will see you then. Thank you for being here. I'm Marina Orms. You can learn more about me and how to work with me at astrologyheals.com. Thanks for subscribing. Check back for daily Astro self-care videos, and I will see you next time.